I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Here, buddy. Here we have this old HP PS2 computer mouse that's been in the tech room for, years. Probably since like 2010. But here lately it's been getting to where you have to pound on the left mouse button to actually click something. It'll still, normally when you click on the mouse button, it will sound like it clicks, but it actually doesn't register with the computer. So, yeah, I about had enough of this thing. It's fixing to get it right now. I figure I would be more than happy to get this on video for you guys. Piece of crap. Well, there's the top of it. Where'd the other part of it go? There's the mouse wheel. Nice. Just what this thing was. This is what this thing was needing. So the freaking thing wouldn't click, so I fixed it. Fixed it right. Don't have to worry about it anymore. Oh, there it is. It went over to the dang porch. You piece of crap. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's Cube Comp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you for your support.